when it comes to protecting your dock, boat, or marina from the winter conditions. The Scott Aerator De-Icer is a game changer. This powerful system prevents ice buildup in large water areas. With the ability to keep a minimum 50-foot diameter of water ice-free, it's no surprise that these de-icers are trusted by marinas, municipalities, and homeowners. The Scott Aerator De-Icer has an eco-friendly design using no oil, which means no leaks and no maintenance. Its rugged construction and stainless steel components ensure that it stands up to winter conditions year after year. It comes with a 5-year, unconditional motor warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Scott Aerator De-Icer is easy to install, adjustable for various water levels, and available in multiple models to meet your specific needs. Scott offers multi-mounting options. The dock mount options are the included standard dock plate, the dock post bracket, or the truss mount. Additional mounting options are the float, slinger, or tripod mount. This product truly represents 45 years of expertise in delivering top-notch performance and durability. Visit us today at www.yardfocus.com or call 800-242-6952.